Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We want to introduce ourselves. We are from 6th group class D Akuntansi discuss about audit. My group consists of me. My name is Muhamad Rexsa Nugraha, discuss about types of audit.
My name is Ridho Ramadhan.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonny Kristantyo Adhi.
Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ariyanti Natalia from class accounting D of the years 2020.
Shorten the interval. The first material will be presented by Ariyanti.
Here, I will explain about the audit. And for one, what is audit? Audit is an activity of reviewing concrete data in the report so that it's accurate. The data read in the report check in a detail whether anything of the mark of is accordance with the existing fact. In addition, this data are relevant for reason or accurate. And usually, is an audit is carried out to check financial statement, either is a company or individual. And the result of the audit will influence the company is making decision going forward. This is important for the progress of the company.
This opportunity I will explain about audit objective. Broadly speaking, the purpose of conducting an audit is for a company to be even better in the future. In addition, there are other things that are the purpose of conducting an audit, which are also called assertion. Number one, completeness. Completeness is required to ensure that all transaction record or are in the journal have actually been included in the report. Number two, accuracy. To ensure the transaction and estimate balance are recorded based on the correct amount, the calculation is correct, classified and record properly. Number three, existence. To ensure that all record asset and liabilities have the existence or occurrence on a certain date, that record transaction must actually have occur and are not fictitious. Number four, valuation. To ensure that generally accept accounting principles and are applied correctly. Number five, classification. To ensure that the transactions that are included in the journal are classified appropriately. When it comes to balance, the number entered in the client register have been classified appropriately. Number six, speed limit or cut-off. To ensure that transactions nearby balance sheet that are written in the correct period. Transactions that may be disposable are transactions that are complete at the end of an accounting period. Number 7, disclosure. To ensure that the account balance and the related disclosure requirements are fairly present in the financial statement and are fairly explained in the content and footnotes of the those reports. Thank you.
C. Types of audit. Types of audit are classified into two, namely general audits and special audit. First, general audit. General audit is a review and evaluation effort carried out by an independent auditor. The examination is carried out based on the professional standard of public accountant and their code of ethics. Second, a special audit. A special audit is an examination of financial statement with a limited scope. For example, a company wants to carry out an audit the financial division within the last 1 year. Auditors are usually classified into three categories based on who employs them. First, public accountant. Public accountants are professional accountants who sell their service to general public, especially in the field of examining financial report prepared by their clients. Second, government accountant. Government accountants are professional accountants who work in government agencies whose main task is to conduct audit of financial accountability. Presented by organizational units in government or financial accountability addressed to the government. Third, internal accountant. Internal accountant is accountant who work in a company, whose main task to determine whether the policies and procedures established by top management have been completed, determine whether or not the safeguards of the organization's assets are good, determine the efficiency and effectiveness of procedures for organizational activities, and determine the reliability of information generated by various parts of the organization. Evaluation effort carried out by an independent auditor. The examination is carried out based on the professional standard of public accountant and their code of ethics. Second, a special audit. A special audit is an examination of financial statement with a limited scope. For example, a company wants to carry out an audit the financial division within the last 1 year.
Next, I will explain about how important is audit in the company. Not only makes the company run a better direction, because the evaluation of financial statement, audit also has following rules. The legality of the audit financial report will be more reliable. Audit annual tax return or SPT are more trusted by legal institutions regarding tax uses. Company whose share have gone public or have asset equivalent to either 25 billion are required to attach audit financial report to the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Benefit of financial statement audit. The involvement of an independent audit will provide benefits, among others, increase the credibility of financial reports, reduce corporate fraud, and provide a more reliable basis for tax reporting other financial reports that must be submitted to the government. The benefits of the audit are divided into three basic parts that enjoy the benefit the audit, namely A. For parties being audited. 1. The integrity of the financial statement so that the report cannot be trusted for the interests of parties outside the entry such as shareholders, creditors, the government, and others. 2. Prevent and discover fraud committed by audit company management. 3. Provide a non-taxable basis for the preparation of notification letters submitted to the government. 4. Opening the door to the entry of outside source of financing. 5. Financial errors and irregularities in financial records. B. For other members in the business world. 1. Provide a more convincing basis for creditor or partners to make credit decisions. 2. Provide a more convincing basis for the insurance company to settle claims for insurers. 3. Provide a reliable basis for investor and potential investor to assess investment performance and management stewardship. 4. Provide an objective basis for trade unions and audit parties for a dispute over wage and benefits. 5. Provide the buyer on seller an independent basis for determining the terms of sale, purchase, or incorporation. 5. Provide a better basic, convincing client or client to accept the company profitability or financial audit, management audit, and internal control system, its operational efficiency, and its financial condition. C. For government agency and people who are engaged in the field of law. 1. Supplement provide independent clarity about the accuracy and assurance of financial reports. 2. Provide an independent basis for those engaged in the legal sector for inheritance and trust assets, resolve problems in bankrupt and insolvency, and enforce partnership agreement in appropriate manner. 3. Play a decisive role in achieving the objective of Social Security law.
This time, for the end of presentation, I and my friends say thank you for your attention and see you the next presentation. Bye!